Okay, it's my review. Transformers Universe Classics Plug-Say System. I haven't been making a video lately because my mom made a password for this computer, and whenever I'm on, she has the TV on, so I just forgot to log it off last night. So now I guess I gotta do something. Alright, it's kind of a small figure. His color scheme is green, yellow, brown, black, red for his eyes, bullet orange cockpit. Force. Let me go get some slice conversions. Show you. He's really small. Alright. Here is, well, this Galvatron is pretty small. Got this guy a long time ago. I never did the review. His transformation is freaking hard. Yeah, they're about the same size. Megatron's just a little bit taller. This guy's about a head taller too. Just a little bit more than a head taller. So he's a pretty small figure. But onto the articulation. He has nice articulation. Go out, forward, back, bend. Kind of pivot his foot. Yeah, that can go 8 degrees, around, bend up, go out at the elbows, okay. This head can kind of twist, but you might move that. It only doesn't have great articulation, but it's pretty good articulation. Move on to the transformation. What you have to do? These in. Oh yeah, I forgot the firing missiles. I kind of lost those, but these things down. It's a repaint of classic Starscream. I need to get. Looks like they're giving now classics to the what the Henkai classic version. I'm not really quite sure, but I think they're giving out classics to the Universe Classics, as they should though, right? But if we take that up, let's see. Alright. I want to put his hands in. And then take this part back. Cockpit this in. You pull that out. Twist it that far out. Push it in there. Just like that. Okay. Now we take his arms. It's kind of tricky when you pull out the cockpit. Push his arms in. With the other. And close his chest. put these in like that. And select this beam stand. Then we have him into his F-15 Eagle mode. My uncle works on, one of my uncle works on F-15 Eagles. My Uncle Randy. He puts the fuel in actually. It's unrelated to Starscream. That's how Starscream gets this fuel. Randy puts it in for him. Oh. Yeah. That's my view. Second costume. I just like the big one. I like both of the modes. So yeah, that's Transformers Universe Classics Deluxe. I think it's my first Universe Classics video. So yeah. This is Acid Storm / Starscream. Alright. Goodbye. But yeah, on this thing that says I'm age 24, I did not put that there. I put a way lower rate.